Yes, so on the way, here are a lot of wild goats. So on the way we saw them, but they scared of me and ran away. But they were so cute. Yes, so now we are in the fort. So we will go now up again to the mountains day. Just I want to show you here really around very beautiful view. And I like the Arabian style buildings. Everywhere, mountains. So, okay, let's go now inside. Love. Yeah, so you can drink here. Hello? So we need tickets? Ah? We need tickets. Can you buy tickets? Yeah. So here coffee. We are in enter in this fort. So here in the enter you can see coffee or tea. It is free. Imagine in museum. You coming and you can get free. Okay, let's try.
Press. Huh?
No, nothing. So okay, not today. Okay, so we now need to go up.
You keep this glass.
Okay. So it will be so complex. Yeah, so we will go now up and it will be so complex. So okay, let's go. Okay, so no tickets. Just the writing name and age. Oh my god, we will do now 239 steps. Okay, so and we need to go there, хорошо? Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm very happy.
You don't like?
239 steps?
Gym today.
Yeah, my gym will today done. there to come. Hello! Oh my god! Up? Oh, one more here. He's running. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, so I try to run behind them, but no, they're scared to me. But they're so cute and how they're jumping. I love them so much.